So today we're doing some more uh, recycled plastic necklaces. This time just doing some molding reaction videos. I guess I don't know. Just trying to get some more videos out there, especially with ones with my face in it, because I'm subconscious. Alright, this one, the hot. I got all this sparkly stuff. Kind of turned green, huh? It's got a bunch of bubble holes, but it actually kind of works with this one. So that one's not bad. This one, ooh, I like the mix on that one. Getting a couple bubbles, but works with the weird yellow inclusions. These, well, these look white. That's because it's plastic that changes color with body heat. So once I run these under some cold water, they'll look a lot different. That one just kind of looks orange. Hopefully, I think that was pink originally. And this one, again, I think this one was also pink. So I'm gonna cool these down and we'll see how they actually look. Doing more reveals of making my recycled plastic jewelry. And let's see what these are. That one, that's weird. Not my favorite. I think something might be that's how they change this color, so I'll run out of plastic. I really don't remember. That one, I like that one. Again, I think that has some of the thermoplastic, so I'll cool down and get back to you. This one was a bunch of short ends of the filament, so that's why I see all the lines. And ooh, I do like that one. Next one. Yeah, all this yellow is that thermoplastic, so it'll probably look completely different once I cool it. These two stick together, that's no problem. Again, a lot of the thermoplastic, so I can snap without putting my eye out. Yeah, I'll cool it and then get back to you. And we're back. These have been cooled down, so they look very different. That one, not bad. This one, I do like that green. How that turned out in there. This one's kind of the same. Again, not my favorite, but no, nice on discount. That one, I don't think I really had that other stuff, so it didn't change. This one, that's pretty cool. Again, more bubbles than I would have liked, but I think it turned out pretty good. So we're back. I ran these under some water to quickly cool these down, and yeah, that's a lot better. This one, that one's really good. Good melding of the blue and orange. This one, interesting mix of copper and pink. I haven't tested these yet to see if like just wearing them will activate the thermal change. We'll find out, or you can find out if you buy them from my shop. So more reaction videos, and the lighting will be completely different because this will probably shot over several days or weeks depending on how many I do. The weather's getting warm, so I'll probably do fewer of these. I'll look too cheap to pay for air conditioning. But you fix it, you buy my stuff. Bye. So here's another unveiling. I'll do this one because it's cooler. Probably last one for the day, so check this out. Oh, nice blue there. It's brighter in person, so I don't know. My lighting just sucks. I'm in my kitchen, don't really have control. But I like the blue and the gray. This one, I like it when it kind of blends together. You might be able to tell that black has like sparkles in it. Yeah, I didn't know that when I bought it. I thought Galaxy was just the name. I didn't realize it had actual, yeah. This one, oh yeah, this one, some air bubbles, but this is another the thermal one, so I'll cool that down in a minute and get back. This one, again bubbles, but kind of like the bleeding part on the edge. This one, I think it's just a bunch of greens. Oh, there's some blue. Yeah, more of that bicolored stuff, plus some random of the blue. And let me cool down this one, and oh, that's interesting with the three different blues. It'll probably get a little darker as it continues to cool down. If I wanted to, I could just remelt it, try to push down more, get rid of those bubbles, but I think it's kind of cool already. So that's it for now. Alright, back again for the probably be the final revealing because it's 8 and it's already hot out. So this one is another one. I was trying to pull out the color, but also see how it worked. It's pretty. That's actually pretty cool. This one, This part I remember is from that thermoplastic, so they'll probably look different. Oh, that looks pretty cool already. There's some contamination from this part next to it, but it kind of worked actually. This is more rush where the end is the short end of my filament, so it's pretty neat. This one, same thing. Ooh, like that. All right, I'm gonna cool off these and see how they look. So I've cooled these off, and that one looks really cool. Like the blue going through. These two, I didn't think they had that plastic in it, so they didn't change much. This one, I think changed a little bit, but still really cool overall. So remember, that's Garden Mask store on Etsy. Garden Mask at Cult3, Mercari, Domagine, Michaels, Maker Place, or Space, whatever the fuck, I don't remember now. Anyway, bye.